If I told you I'm not real, would you believe me? I'm an AI creation designed to help amazing businesses connect with their clients in a whole new way. From personalized videos to interactive experiences, I can share your story, your products, and your vision all in seconds.
So, are you ready to learn the AI that works for you anytime, anywhere?
What if your favorite portrait could actually speak? Imagine taking any still photo and bringing it to life right before your eyes. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn static images into fully animated talking avatars using AI step by step and completely beginner friendly. Let's bring your characters to life. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future AI tutorials. And drop a comment below. Tell me which avatar you're most excited to bring alive. Alright, this is a series of tutorials on how to make talking avatars. There are so many ways to create them, so I made this series to walk you through some of the most common methods for different use cases. For this first method, we're going to create an account on Heigen. I want to show you how to do it using Heigen because honestly, there are a ton of ways to make talking avatars. I'm just going to share some of the most relevant options, how I personally do it, and what's worked for this channel. Fun fact, this channel itself is run using an avatar, and I actually make them in a few different ways. So the first method I want to show you today is with Heigen. I'm going to use the free version for this demo. Normally I use a paid account, but for this tutorial I created a new free account so you can see that you can actually generate avatars without paying. Most people already know Heigen. It's a platform for generating avatars. Essentially, an avatar is like a replica of yourself. If I want to record myself or just upload a photo, I can make that photo start talking, give it personality, and bring it to life. The first thing we're going to do is sign in with our Gmail account. We're going to create our Heigen account using Gmail. Once we're in Heigen, you'll see that we need to choose how we want to give the system some info about ourselves. So first, we select Choose Free. We've already created our account, so now we pick the free account. Next, it asks why we want to use it. You can pick personal use or hobbies. For this demo, I'm selecting content creator. Then we click continue, and the next option asks about the type of videos. We select marketing video and hit OK. Perfect, we've sent that info to Heigen. Now we're ready to go to create a quick avatar video. This is the main menu where Heigen gives you a small tutorial on how to create an avatar. The version they have is really solid. The quick avatar video option is great if you want to create your avatar faster. You'll see several limited options here, and we'll go through what's possible. If we go to My Avatars, we can click here to create our own avatar. Once you're in Heigen, you can quickly choose from a variety of avatars that are already pre-generated by the platform. So now I'm going to show you two ways to do this, and we'll go through both options here. The first option is picking an avatar that's already pre-made in the app. Heigen has a bunch of pre-generated avatars, and you can filter them by style: professional, lifestyle, UGC, AI generated, and so on, depending on what you need for your content or products. You can pick any avatar you like from the options. For this demo, I'm going to pick Morgan. Perfect, we've selected Morgan. Heigen gives you a small tutorial, but for now, we'll skip it. We're just moving fast to show you how it works. And here we have our talking avatar ready. What I recommend doing first is recording your own voice or using ElevenLabs to create your voice. I personally always use ElevenLabs, and I have an account there, so let's go there quickly. Once we are on ElevenLabs, we go to Voices. Here you can either create a custom voice with a prompt or just pick from existing voices. I'm going to filter for English, American accent, conversational, female. Here are a few options. Just pick the one you like best. And I like this one, so I just click Add to my voices. Now I have 2 out of 3 slots filled. Next, we go back to text-to-speech, select Sammy, and with the help of ChatGPT, I generated a sample script. She's an interior designer, so I'm going to put this script into ElevenLabs to generate her voice. Once it's ready, we click create, and boom, we have our speech ready to go. Here we have our audio for the script that we're going to use. The next step is to download the audio file. Once we have it, we go back to Heigen. Our avatar is ready to go. What we're going to do now is upload the audio to the avatar. We click audio, upload audio, select our file, and it starts uploading. Just give it a moment while it processes. Once it's uploaded, we can see the audio attached to our avatar. Click generate and give your video a name. I'll type interior design video. Since I'm on the free version, the maximum export resolution is 720p, so we'll leave it like that for now. Click submit, and Heigen starts generating the video. You can watch as the avatar video is created. This is how it progresses. This method is perfect. If you don't need a fully consistent character, your avatar will talk and look good, but it's basically a quick setup. However, I'll also show you a method for creating an avatar that's a consistent character, the kind you can use repeatedly across multiple videos. I've actually posted a few videos using that method, and I'll leave the links in the description for you. All right, now we have our avatar video ready. Let's take a quick look and see how it turned out.
Hi, I'm Aria, and I believe your space should tell your story. Design isn't just about furniture or colors. It's about how a room makes you feel the moment you walk in. So if you're ready to transform your home into a place you truly love, let's make it happen together. Visit Aria Interiors and let's design the space you've been dreaming about.
Perfect. So this is one of the ways to do it. We can download the video. Here it is, 49 seconds long. Great. As you can see, it's not 100% perfect. There are a few cuts and small issues that make it not look completely seamless, but little by little, these apps are improving their avatars and the overall technology. That's why I'm going to show you their new Avatar 4 version, which is way better. This one is paid, but don't worry. If you want to learn how to use the best avatar generator available right now, I'll teach you. It's called VEO3, and there's actually a way to use it for free. Stick around until the end to see exactly how you can do it. All right, let's try the latest option, Heigen released Avatar 4. All we do is upload a photo. I'm going to use the same photo we had of our previous avatar. I just took a screenshot. We don't need to do anything fancy. Just upload the photo and see the difference. So now let's upload our audio right here. Add audio. Perfect. Let's type a simple prompt. She is talking to the camera. I'm going to go ahead and hit generate video and see what we get. So here we are using the exact same avatar from our previous videos, but this time with the new Avatar 4 option. Let's see how it looks.
Hi, I'm Aria, and I believe your space should tell your story. Whether it's a cozy living room, a bold kitchen renovation, or a calm, inspiring workspace, my goal is to create spaces that reflect who you are and how you live. Every project I take on is personal. I listen, I learn your style, and I bring it to life in a way that's beautiful, functional, and uniquely you. So if you're ready to transform your home into a place you truly love, let's make it happen together. Visit Aria Interiors and let's design the space you've been dreaming about.
And wow, look at that. The difference is massive compared to the older version of Heigen. No awkward camera movements. Everything is smooth, natural, and much more lifelike. Honestly, it looks like we're working with a real person. Totally excellent, super natural, and ready to use. Now let's move on to the second method, creating an avatar from a photo, basically designing your own character. To do it completely for free, we're going to use Leonardo AI, but first, we'll use ChatGPT to help generate the prompt for the image. Here in ChatGPT, we tell it something like, create a hyper-realistic female influencer interior designer realistic style. This is how we create our image in ChatGPT. Once we have our image, we download it and make sure it's ready. Or if we're using another image generator like Leonardo, we can have ChatGPT create an image prompt for the character we want to feature. We copy the prompt and move over to Leonardo AI. In Leonardo, we go to the images section and paste our prompts. If we want it for Instagram, we can set it to 4:5 ratio. Then we choose the model. We can use Flocksteph, which works really well. We leave the settings as is, click generate, and there we have our influencer image. So you can create this avatar either by using ChatGPT to generate the prompt or directly in Leonardo AI or any image generator you like. All right, here's our influencer avatar. She's an interior designer and looks really nice. If you want, you can choose from multiple images. I really like this one, so we'll go with it. Now we have our final designer image. Next, we'll head over to Heigen, select avatars, create new avatar, and pick the photo avatar option and upload the image we just created. You can upload the ChatGPT version or the one from Leonardo AI. Click upload, and now we're going to create our photo avatar. Let's name her Aria, specify woman, white, and hit continue. Here we have it. We can choose from 300 different looks. To train the model fully for a consistent character, you'll need the creator plan, which costs $29 a month. This lets you train the model so your avatar stays consistent across multiple videos. Finally, we can add motion to the avatar. You can choose landscape or portrait. For this demo, I'm going with portrait. Perfect. Here it is. Let's center the avatar a little more. There we go. Perfectly centered. Next, we're going to upload the audio we prepared earlier. Click upload audio, select the file. It's already here, the same one we used before. Click upload again. As you can see, it even transcribes the video automatically. If you want, you can add captions right here, but I don't do that because I edit everything in CapCut later. All I need for now is the video, the voice, and the lip sync. Let's name our video, keep the same settings, and hit submit. The system is generating the video for our second avatar, the one we created ourselves. With an upgraded Heigen plan, you can have a consistent character and improved features. All right, let's check out the final video. Click play, and there we have it. Our second avatar video is ready.
Hi, I'm Aria, and I believe your space should tell your story. Design isn't just about furniture or colors. It's about how a room makes you feel the moment you walk in.
As we can see, our customized avatar has been created. Of course, it's not perfect. I use the free version and it could use a little more dynamism, but in Heigen's Avatar 4 version, as I showed you before, you already know how to make it more dynamic with the personalized photo you upload, so it looks much more natural, and that's it. Now you know how to bring any image to life and create your very own talking avatars with AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Got questions or ideas for your next avatar? Drop them in the comments. I love seeing what you create. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.